Hi. So this week's discussion has to deal with the American Revolution. The question reads, without the French, the United States would never gain their independence. Assess the validity of this statement. Now, this is one of the few times in history, as historians, I should say, that they're in general agreement on this, is that without the French, the United States would never have gained their independence. So what do the French bring to the table that's going to help the United States? Well, don't write so much about the Battle of Saratoga. The French had nothing to do with Saratoga. It's the Battle of Saratoga that's looked upon as the turning point of the American Revolution that brings the French into the alliance officially. So you need to write about the two treaties that the French are going to sign with the United States. Those would be the Treaty of Amity and Commerce, and the other treaty, the Treaty of Alliance. What specifically were in those treaties? How did those treaties help the United States gain their independence? And last but not least, you cannot answer this question correctly without writing about the Battle of Yorktown, because it's that battle that finally gains the United States its independence. What were the contributions specifically by Rochambeau from Admiral de Grasse, and what they did with Washington as well, okay? You cover that, you're very specific in that, you should easily make an A, all right? Please send me your discussion before Thursday at 4 p.m. I'll be more than happy to critique it, look over it, so we can get you a better grade, and let's have a good week.